Hello friends, welcome to the fourth video of this Ollama series. So today I'm going to explain about Open Web UI. So it's a UI same like a Chat GPT, like we can run it on our local. So this is I'm going to explain this. So this is how the UI will look like. Okay, so first thing is we need to let me in my previous video I have already explained, so let me explain again quickly. So we need to download the Ollama and we have to run it on a local system, and we need to run the model. So either we can run Ollama 3.1 or Code Llama or whatever as per our need, we can run our model. So right now I am running Code Llama. Okay, so this is what I'm running on my system. So this is, let me show you. So Ollama run Code Llama latest. So this is what in my system it is running. Okay, and if we open get web UI. So this GitHub page opens, and this is how it looks like. And it has various options to run, like with the Docker. If Ollama is in your computer, use this command and all. So it's a simple Docker command, so we can run it. Or if the various other options are also there, like if the Ollama is on a different server, so this will be our real use case if we run it on some different systems and all. Okay, and with GPU support also it's there. Okay, other installation methods is also there, so various options are also there. So with this tutorial I'm running on with uh, the Docker. So I have already running it. I'm already using it is running on 3000 port. Okay, and let's open it, and this is how it looks like. Okay, it's a very nice UI. So we can register it here. The first user will be the admin, since I have already logged in. So let me log in and show you the interface. Okay, here you go, and this is how it looks like. And here we can see all the models which are. So initially I run this one, so by default I set as default this one. Okay, and let me show you some options here. So various settings are there. Admin settings is there. Okay, general user. Okay, user default model is Code Llama latest. For other users, connection is this is the local host. Okay, so we can change it if it is running on other system. So by default it is here. Okay, model is like this one, Code Llama. Okay, delete a model, it is for the delete. Okay, we don't need to do anything. Create a model. So if we want to create a model here, it is an experimental feature. Document is there. So I haven't gone through all the features. Okay, pipeline, database, it also stores some in the local way, all the chats. Okay, and let's chat Java 21. Let me ask some question. It will take up some time, but it will reply. Okay, let's see. And in the meantime I will pause my video because it will take some couple of minutes. Okay, and here you can see it has responded. Like I asked, do you know Java 21? So it has responded, yes, I know Java 21. It has given all the features of Java 21, what is new and all. So see how nicely the AI assistant has replied about the Java. The next thing what I asked, give me a Java code to generate a random number between 1 and 100. Okay, so it has generated a random number, and it has a copy option is also there. So this way, and we can ask any questions. And here if I start a new chat, you can see this chat, it's the same way the Chat GPT, how we are doing in a Chat GPT, and this is the same way. So if we ask same question again, or anything, any other question, so do you know something else, it will reply. Okay, and it's a very short video, so this is all about this thing. So here you can say admin panel is there. Here we can add a user. Okay, add a user also. Okay, with a CSV import or form or anything with like a, and the first user will be admin, other user will be users. Okay, normal users you can say. Some setting options is also there. Pipeline is also there. Pipeline I have not seen what is pipeline. So database, it is, I think, all the data and all chat and all, it is stored in locally within the pod, so we can configure a database also. Okay, and images, I haven't seen what is images. Okay, and workspace, it is like we can create our own model also here. Okay, from the base model, from this model we can customize it. Okay, and this is also possible. Okay, and it supports documents also, or it can generate an image also. Means like a generating an image might be we need to select some other model. Maybe I will come up with some video where it generates an image, and here let's try like I will put a generate an image of a kid playing football. Let's see whether it can generate or not. It's like I will pause the video. Okay, and it has replied that I am not capable of directly generating. However, I can describe the scene that you can imagine and draw yourself. Okay, so Llama 3.18b and this code Llama, both models are not capable of generating an image. However, but the meta, this is possible here, but I have to find out which model is capable of generating an image. Maybe on my next video, maybe I will try to find out, and then we'll see. Then we'll try to generate an image and see how it works. It's like okay, and this is all about I think web UI. And if you like the content, please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Yeah, have a great day. Bye bye.